Yeah, friend, kind of thought to. How are you? So many people have asked me about this book. It is the Hiberno English Dictionary. And I keep meeting loads of Gaels, Irish people here in London and on my travels who say they've never heard of this dictionary. So I thought it was about time I did a Hiberno English word of the day every day. And so I'm going to start at the beginning for A. And one on the very first page, there is the word AWALLya. AWALLya, which means home. Are you home? And that could be after a night out with your friend, checking if somebody's safe home. But there's a deeper meaning of AWALLya too for me personally. And I'm sitting here in Kew Gardens under a beautiful tree. And you have AWALLya, which is home inside yourself. And this is very relevant if you're of Irish descent and watching this from other parts of the world, because the Irish diaspora are everywhere. Yet, where is AWALLya for us? Where is home for us? And for me, it's inside myself. So it's imokri in my heart. So you can also have that meaning of AWALLya. It can be your spiritual sense of yourself. You come back into yourself and ground yourself into AWALLya. So wherever you go, there you are. As the great teacher John Kabat-Zinn said. And so you take yourself with you everywhere. So we cannot run from ourselves, and wherever we travel, we've got to come back to ourselves. So AWALLya is also home inside yourself. AWALLya. AWALLya. You might be able to hear the beehive. Those beautiful tones. I often come here to Kew Gardens to meditate. So I'm going to do a Hiberno English word of the day every day. We're going to follow along with this. You might be wondering, what is Hiberno English? Well, it is the language that we speak in Ireland. So many years ago, I came here 20 years ago, and people used to correct my English and tell me I didn't speak the Queen's English or the King's English. And of course I didn't, because I'm not English. And in the beginning, I used to self-edit and stop myself. But now I've got a much stronger sense of my self-identity, and I have decolonized my mind, and I just say this is the way I speak, and it comes from the Irish language. So when you translate the Irish language into English, this is what you get. My parents would have spoken Hiberno English, and it's absolutely beautiful. And over the next year, I'm going to teach you all these amazing Hiberno English words, and we're going to have so much fun. We're going to be doing a Hiberno English word of the day every day. Gra more.